Looking for the absolute best e-readers in 2025 to transform your reading experience? You've come to the right place. We're diving deep into the top contenders, revealing shocking features and unexpected downsides that will make you rethink your next purchase. Make sure to check the description for links to buy these game-changing devices and start reading smarter today. Our journey begins with the reigning champion, number 1. Kindle Paperwhite, 2024, ***. Still considered the best overall e-reader you can buy thanks to its lightning-fast processor and impressive battery life, even boasting a brighter screen than its predecessors. Next, we explore number 2. Kobo Libra Color ***, a serious splurge for serious readers, offering a stunning color display for book covers and illustrations, plus page-turning buttons for ultimate ergonomic comfort, a feature sorely missed in many Kindles. Prepare to be amazed by number 3. Kindle Scribe, 2025, ***, which finally received a much-needed processing upgrade and ghosting fixes, making its paper-like writing experience an absolute joy for annotators and note-takers. For those hesitant about the Kindle ecosystem, number 4. Kobo Clara Color ** presents a wonderful alternative, delivering speedy color displays and seamless Libby integration for borrowing library books directly. Finally, don't underestimate number 5. Kindle Standard Model ***, which proves that sometimes simplicity is key. It's the best budget-friendly option, surprisingly delightful and genuinely pocket-sized for reading on the go. While the article's author initially loved the Kobo Clara Color, the Kindle Paperwhite, 2024, ultimately secured its spot as the fastest device with superior battery life, proving that tried-and-true technology often triumphs. This ultimate guide will help you choose the perfect e-reader for your needs in 2025.